Hello, all. This is Mr. Sagastume, your future sixth grade teacher and homeroom teacher. And this is a video I make every year. And I just want to, it's kind of an addition to back to school night well, just an introduction, so kind of an overview. And the reason why I do a video is so that you don't have to sit and read a long email, but you can, put this on and do the dishes while I do this and skip ahead to whatever you don't want to hear or ahead of what you don't want to hear. Sorry, I'm going to my notes. I'm probably not going to be available at the back to school or at the all school picnic, which is 2 Sundays from now, because I have to work. I'm scheduled to work. I have another job. I'm a bartender at the Moonlight, and I'm scheduled to work that night. So I will be here for probably a little bit, but then I have to take off and go serve alcohol. So real quick, who am I? I'm Mr. Sagastume. I have a teaching credential. My degree is in theater. I have a multiple subject teaching credential, which would qualify me to teach in kindergarten all the way to 8th grade in a public school. I've been working in schools since 1998. I was a tutor in high school. I used to go across the street to the elementary school and I would read with students. I've been working in after school programs. I did adult special ed for several years for an organization called Beta, which was really cool. Working with some really intense situations where with people who sometimes got really violent, and it was really cool. It actually really helped me develop my way of kind of dealing with kids and students with the idea of trying to ignore as best as possible the antisocial behavior and to try to reward the pro-social behavior. And so trying to have more of a carrot than a stick. And it was a very kind of very simple program that was really cool, and you could see people when we worked with individuals who would be, when you first meet them, they'd attack you and try to bite you. And then within a few days of the program, you could see these people, I'm thinking of a woman I worked with named Natalie, who almost instantly through this program started changing her behavior. And she didn't get perfect, but she got way better with just in a couple of weeks. Let's see, I've been an official teacher since 2012. I think I got my credential. I taught in Salinas Public Schools. I spent 5 years in Albuquerque teaching at a school called Holy Child Catholic Classical School, really awesome school. And then I came here in 2017, and I've been here ever since. About the classroom, whenever the screen is up, I always have as my background a image that says heaven is the goal, because I want the students to all understand that everything we're doing here, the whole point of all of this, is to get you to heaven. So we learn math because we're going to heaven. We're trying to get to heaven. We're learning history to help you get to heaven. And even if you don't quite understand how that works, just trust the process. We will help you. It will make you a better educated person, a scholar, and ultimately a saint. And that is the goal of a classical curriculum, is to make you a scholar and ultimately a saint. I'm looking at my notes over here. So what is covered in each subject, giving you a heads up. So we're doing Latin this year. We're picking up right where the 5th grade left off. And chapter, from what Ms. Stone says, you guys got up to lesson 10. So that was the last quiz you took, was lesson 10. So we're starting with lesson 11, and you really won't need much review. It should be in there, and actually the homework will kind of catch you up. And we have our first quiz already scheduled. If you want to go to RenWeb, you can see actually I've got most of the classes right now already set up, with the exception of science and things, because I'm still waiting on some information there. Math, we're going to be working on getting into fractions, multiplying fractions, dividing fractions. We're going to be doing some geometry. We're going to end with coordinated planes, points on a graph. And I'm trying to think of some other things. Mean, median, and mode, and range, and how those can be used in a real world setting. So this is if you don't know your math facts right now,